Hi there, my name is Christina with the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Welcome to this week's Sustainability Spotlight. Today, I'm happy to introduce you to Sarah, our Health Associate for the town of Innisfil. She's going to share with us some information about our Garden to Give program, some tips on how to get started growing our very own vegetables, and take us on a tour of the Innisfil Community Garden.
Eating seasonally with locally grown food is a great way to reduce your environmental footprint because it dramatically reduces the amount of resources required to get your food from where it's grown to your plate. The shorter the distance between where your food is grown and your kitchen, the better. So for this sustainability spotlight, we're going to be talking about how to grow your own produce at home. Not only is your own garden as local as it gets, growing your own food and spending time in the garden helps us build a stronger, more appreciative relationship with our food and our environment. If you're a new gardener and want to try your hand at growing produce but don't know where to start, leafy greens, carrots, and radishes can be a great place. Leafy greens such as lettuce and Swiss chard grow super quickly, they're really easy to harvest, and they can be grown in containers, so they're a great option if you don't have a ton of garden space. Similarly, carrots and radishes grow super quickly, and they're not very demanding plants, so they're great for beginners. If you don't have a ton of garden space, produce can be grown in and amongst an existing garden, just like these raspberries here. Even growing a few plants such as tomatoes or leafy greens in a pot, or trying out a vertical pallet garden like you see here can be a great option for anyone trying to grow produce with limited space on a balcony or a porch. Here at the Garden to Give, we're growing produce to donate to the Innisfil Community Fridge. This is truly as local as it gets, as we're growing produce right here at Town Hall and bringing it over to the community fridge at the Innisfil Rec Complex for community members to enjoy. As you can see in this garden plot, we have tomato plants and basil growing together. Over here in this plot, we have a few very large Swiss chards growing, which, as I mentioned earlier, are really easy to grow. We also have a couple more basil plants, and on this side, we just planted some more carrots, so hopefully we'll see those sprouting up soon. Here in the center plot, we have dill growing on one side, and on the other side, we have chives growing. These perennial herbs are another excellent choice for new gardeners who are trying to bring more homegrown produce into their kitchens. Chives and dill are very low maintenance, and they'll grow year after year outdoors or all year long indoors. Growing produce at home may seem like a daunting challenge, but even starting small with a couple plants is a big step towards reducing the environmental impact of your diet. Good luck growing!